History of plumbing practice. National Plumbing Code of the Philippines. Republic Act 1378. The Plumbing Law. Pueblo, the towns. Ilustrados, the elite group. Governor Generoso Harrison, Gobjen Harrison, issued a letter of instruction on the proper waste disposal. Master Plumber John F. Haas. Master Plumber John F. Haas, first Chief of Division of the Plumbing Construction and Inspection. Walid City or Intramuros. Walid City, Intramuros, birth of the plumbing professions in the Philippines. NAMPA first members: Francisco Jeronimo, Egmedio Suarez, Jose Rivera, Roberto Feliciano, Raimundo Gumapak, Trinitario Ortiz, Crispin Francisco, Cornelio Odbina, Mariano D. Ocampo, Eusebio Mina, Raimundo Reyes Sr., Gregorio Lazaro, John Jones, Valentin Kasumpanan, Teodoro Pastor, Jesus Tanghal Dira. NAMPAP, National Master Plumbers Association of the Philippines. House Bill number 962. House Bill number 962. RA 1378. ACA, Plumbing Law of the Philippines. Piate University. Piate University, the first curriculum for the plumbing engineering. City Ordinance 2411. City Ordinance 2411, ACA, the Plumbing Code of the City of Manila. BOMP. BOMP, Board of Master Plumbers. Air, water, and food. Air, water, and food. Basic necessities of life. Basic principle. Plumbing fixtures, devices, and appurtenances shall be supplied with water in sufficient volume and pressure adequate to enable them to function satisfactorily and without undue noise under all normal conditions of use. Principle number 1. Asbestos cement pipe. Asbestos cement pipe. The First Amendment inclusion as an approved plumbing material. Plumbing shall be designed and adjusted to use the minimum quantity of water consistent with proper performance and cleaning. Plumbing fixtures shall be made of smooth, non-absorbent material, free from concealed fouling surface, and shall be located in ventilated enclosures. Each family dwelling unit on premises abutting on the sewer with private sewer disposal system shall have at least one water closet and one kitchen type sink. Further, a lavatory and a bathtub or shower shall be installed to meet the basic requirements of sanitation and personal hygiene. Its fixtures directly connected to the drainage system shall be equipped with water-sealed trap. The drainage piping system shall be designed to provide adequate circulation of air free from siphonage, aspiration, or forcing of trap seal under ordinary use. All piping of plumbing system shall be of durable, NAMPAP approved material, free from defective workmanship, designed and constructed by registered master plumber, ensure satisfactory service. Proper protection shall be provided to prevent contamination of food, water, sterile, goods, and similar materials by backflow of seaweeds. When necessary, the fixtures, devices, or appliances shall be connected indirectly with the building drainage system. No water closet shall be located in a room or compartment which is not properly lighted and ventilated. Plumbing system shall be subjected to such tests to effectively disclose all leaks and defects in the workmanship. Seaweeds or other waste from the plumbing system which may be deleterious to the surface or subsurface water shall not be discharged into the ground or into any waterway unless first rendered innocuous through subjection to some acceptable form of treatment. If water closet or other plumbing fixtures are installed in the building where there is no sewer within a reasonable distance, suitable provision shall be made for disposing of the building seaweeds by some accepted method of seaweeds treatment and disposal, such as septic tank. Application for permits. A registered and licensed master plumber shall file an application at the office of the building official in behalf of the building owner. Application shall identify and describe the plumbing work covered, have the description of the land upon which the plumbing work is to be done, indicate the use or occupancy, be accompanied by plans, drawings, diagrams, computation, technical specification, and other pertinent data required by administrative authority. Be signed by the owner or permittee. Be signed and sealed by registered and licensed master plumber. Chapter 1. Administration. Brace joint. Brace joint. Any joint obtained by the joining of metal part with alloy which melt at temperature higher than 449 degrees centigrade but lower than the melting temperature of the part to be joined. Branch bent. Branch bent. A horizontal bend connecting one or more individual vertical back bends with the bent stack or stack bend. Welded joint or seam. Any joint or seam obtained by the joining of metal parts in the plastic molten state. Wet bend. Wet bend. That portion of the bent pipe through where wastewater also flows through. Building. Building. A structure built, erected, and framed of component structural parts designed for the housing, shelter, enclosure, or support of the persons, animal, or property of any kind. B and S. B and S, brown and sharp specification, or bell and spigot, the end of the pipe. Y. Y. A hose connection with two gated outlets, permitting two connections of the same or smaller coupling diameter to be taken from a single supply line. Also, a pipe fitting of three branches that form the letter Y. Welder pipeline. Welder pipeline, a person who is specialized in the welding of pipes and holds a valid certificate of competency from a recognized testing agencies based on the requirement of regulating authority. Building sewer. Building sewer, that part of horizontal piping of a drainage system which start from the end of the building drain and which receive the discharge of the building drain and conveys it to the public sewer, private sewer, individual sewage disposal system, or other point of disposal. Building drain. Building drain, that part of the lowest horizontal piping of the drainage system which receive the discharge from soil, waste and other drainage pipes inside the walls of the building and conveys it to the building sewer, beginning zero point 0.6 meters outside the building wall. Yoke bend. Yoke bend, a pipe connecting upward from a soil or waste stack below the floor and below horizontal connections to an adjacent bent stack at the point above the floor and higher than the highest spill level of fixtures for preventing pressure changes in the stack.